Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the video and enabling captions with the CC button. This ensures you see live changes. Once captions are on, click the gear icon and choose Subtitles/CC, then pick the language if prompted. Make sure you are signed in if you want to save default settings across devices. Account sign-in lets YouTube remember your preferences. From here, you can access caption settings. This is the first actionable step to changing subtitle size quickly. Now you adjust the appearance. Open Options or Appearance under Subtitles/CC. Choose a font size, small, medium, large, or a custom size when available. Increasing size improves readability on phones and TVs. While here, change color, background opacity, and window color to keep contrast high. This helps when scenes are bright or busy. Use the live preview to check how captions sit over the video, and tweak until text remains legible without obscuring important visuals. Finally, save your changes by clicking Save or Done so YouTube remembers this preference. On mobile, go to the YouTube app settings captions to set size and style separately. Make sure device accessibility settings aren't overriding app options. If captions fail to update, clear your browser cache or app cache, update to the latest YouTube version, and sign out then sign back in. If problems persist, test another browser or device. That helps isolate whether it's account, app, or local settings causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.